And as promised, we're joined currently by Mr. Wadhwa, the CEO of SITI Cable, who joins us from the sidelines of the Emkay Confluence. Hi, Mr. Wadhwa. Thanks so much for joining in. I was just looking at, some of your numbers in the past. I want to talk particularly about the activation revenues. What are they going to look like for FY17? That's really where the big delta comes in. We've seen a big growth. Could you tell us what kind of targets we have for the end of this fiscal?
See, in terms of the targets, basically the total target was to add at least 5 million boxes in the current year. Okay. But because the phase 3 digitization is currently on hold and because the matter is sub judice in Delhi High Court, so it has been delayed. The phase 3, which was likely to be over in December 15, we are in the 8th month of 2016, still it has not been cleared. So it all depends on that. But we are hoping that yes, if the matter gets decided by the court in the next 1 or 2 months, we should still be able to deliver our original target. Otherwise, there will be some shortfall. Okay.
At the moment, your broadband subscribers have gone up from 1 lakh to 1,30,000 in a quarter. Your HD subscribers have also gone up substantially by almost 15,000. What are the targets over there for FY17?
See, we are targeting that we should have at least about 250,000 broadband subscribers by March 17, and we should have at least close to 300,000 HD subscribers. So HD is looking that 300 looks a bit difficult right now because it's not moving the way we expected the market to grow. Though we are carrying the inventory, we have the content, we are carrying roughly about 57 HD channels in our bouquet right now. So we should be, I think, closing about 2 lakh plus HD subscribers and about 250,000 broadband subscribers by end of the year.
All right, Mr. Wadhwa, so you're sounding reasonably confident then about those numbers. What about any price increases? I remember in the middle there were, some talk that in certain parts of the country you had taken some price increases. Is that true? And also, could you tell us what your ARPUs are looking like? Could you tell us for your HD, your ST, as well as your non-digitized? Break it up for us as well.
Yeah. See, we have recently revised our package. Earlier we were operating with the 4 packages. Now we have reduced the package and now total 3 packages there. Basics package and then the Royal and the Magnum package. So the price increase at the consumer level is in the range of weighted average roughly 40 rupees the increase in the prices. And we are targeting that at least half of this should flow back to us after net of LCO margin, the taxes, at least half of that. Between 15 to 20 rupees what we are targeting that should flow back to the company. So it has just happened in the month of July. In some markets it has been revised in the month of July. Balance it is getting revised in the month of August itself. So you will see the real benefit in the second half of the year of this.
Okay. Can you give me an idea of what's your debt? Is it headed up or down?
It has headed for down only because if you recall that sometime in February we raised some funding from the promoter has put in additional fund which we have largely utilized to reduce our debt. So our debt, which I think has gone beyond 1,300 crore, it is roughly little under 1,100 crore.
Okay, that's positive, Mr. Wadhwa. Unfortunately, we are completely out of time, but thank you very much for joining us in this chat.